Now here's how we can know which devices are signed in into the Apple ID. So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now it doesn't even matter if you're using the iPhone or iPad to check this out because it works very similarly. You just get to these settings and tap on your profile and at the top of the list of menus. And when you proceed in here, you can see all of the information about your account. So first of all, pay attention to the Apple ID email because you can see it right here, and based on that you kind of remember which devices you are signing in with this email or Apple ID account. But below we have the list of all of the devices which are signed in with the same account, so you can manage them right here. It is showing me the actual device names, right, and everything, and below I have the specific model number, right? So you can see you can name the iPhone and the device however you want, but for better information I can see it right below that this is the specific model, so I can see the specific series of the Apple Watch, or that it's iPhone 15 or 16 or whatever, and I can manage it right here. I also have the ability to tap on it and manage the warranty or remove it from the Apple account. So if I have like an iPhone which I just don't want to be part of my account and I have it, I don't even know where, I can delete it from my account using this device. So it's pretty simple. It gets the job done usually very well. So if there is something which didn't work out, let me know about it in the comments below. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the future videos as well.